Assalamu alaikum. I'm MD Abu Saleh. I'm studying BSc in Software Engineering at Daffodil International University. Today I'm going to talk about the memory hierarchy. Okay, first of all, what is memory hierarchy? Memory hierarchy is an enhancement to organize the storage or memory so that it can minimize the access time of the memory. Okay, the computer components, there are three basic hardware modules, processors, memory, and communication. Okay, the evaluation can be done by considering the cost, capacity, speed, reliability, volatility, and other criteria such as transferability of the memory. There are a lot of external memory. First, at first, the HDD storage, magnetic disk, SSD, solid state disk, then optical devices such as CD-ROMs, CD recordable CDR or DVD, etc. Okay, then the magnetic tape. These are the basic external memory types. Okay, here we can see the memory hierarchy. At first, we can see registers, then the cache, main memory, online storage, nearline storage, and offline storage. Okay, now I'm going to describe the locality of the memory hierarchy. Okay, there are two types of locality. First of all, spatial locality, that is, data is more likely to be accessed if neighboring data is accessed. Then the temporal locality, data is more likely to be accessed if it has been recently accessed. Okay, the next topic is executables. Program executions tend to spend a great portion of time in loops. Then the spatial locality. For a spatial locality, if a statement in the loop is executed, then so are the statements surrounding it. For temporal locality, if a statement is executed, it is likely to be executed again. The relational databases for a spatial locality, accessing all records in order records are stored in B plus tree, makes sense to move records in branches from disk or tape to main memory. Then the for temporal locality, records are of current student versus record of graduates, active accounts in a bank database. Then current patients versus other patients is the example of temporal locality. Mm, the file system for temporal locality, few files are frequently accessed, and most are written in never read again. Special for spatial locality, not only individual files but also directories can, okay, keep popular items in expensive, small, and fast memory so that it can execute it in less time. Okay, keep less popular items in cheap, big, and slow memory so it can reduce the cost. Then use spatial and temporal locality to guess what items are assume two levels of memory. There are two levels of memory. First, that cache, that is fast, small, and expensive. Then the main memory, that is little bit slower than the cache and it larger and cheap in cost. Okay, cache can access, read, write, assume, read only access, given data, identifier, read data, and such accessibility. Okay, here we can see a cache organization. There are single cache level and three level cache organization. Okay, in single cache organization, there is only one cache memory between the CPU and main memory, that is uh, mm, little bit faster than the others. And in three level cache organization, there is level 1, level 2, and level 3 cache memory between CPU and main memory. Okay, it is more slower than the single cache, but it is bigger than single cache. Okay, now the what is hit rate and what is miss rate. Hit rate is the chances of satisfying read request from cache, and miss rate is chances having to read from main memory. Okay, that means the time to read from cache is uh, less than time to read from main memory. That is why the cache memory is the accessibility of cache memory is higher, is faster than the main memory. Now I'm discussing the caching issues. Okay, if the cache is larger, then its access time will be slower than the smallest cache. Then selection of items into cache, good selection takes more times and uses more resources. Okay, cache architecture depends on the situation, like cache between main memory and processor, cache between disk drives and main memory, and cache between remote and local storage. Mm, okay, I think that's all from me right now. Thank you for watching me.